So Mom and Dad are going to have shepherd's pie for breakfast because Ams doesn't like it anyways. This is a recipe I took off of Kevin Outdoors YouTube channel, and it's pretty good. It's got a lot of vegetables and some potatoes. And then here's the dehydrated ground beef. We've got some ketchup packets and hot sauce to go with that, and some salt. Okay, I'll put it all in there. There's the dehydrated shepherd's pie. We'll add just enough water to cover the food, which is going to be a lot of water because it's a lot of food. It's about time to put this in the cozy. Oh, if I would have been smart and cooked with the short spoon, I could just leave the spoon in there. But I didn't do that. There it is, shepherd's pie. It's got potatoes and beef and peas, lima beans, corn, onions. There's some tomato paste and seasonings in there. This is a nice hearty breakfast. A nice hearty breakfast date with my husband while Ams is sleeping. How's your shepherd's pie?
Pretty good. It's almost gone. The bowl is full. Only had like 3 minutes.
Well, the bacon will be ready in 1 or 2 minutes. How's your hash browns? Good?
Yeah, they're good.
Good. Ams and I had a nice swim. I'm starting to work on the laundry. I'm making spaghetti tonight. I've got my dehydrated ground beef, my spaghetti sauce, and my pasta. Okay, it's time to let this sit hot in the cozy for about 10 minutes. Alright, we're gonna let this sit hot in the cozy. That looks pretty good. We can put in some more water in the pasta and heat it up again and finish it off. Okay, I've got the dehydrated pasta in there and heated it back up. Now I'm going to stick it in the cozy for about 5 or 10 minutes and it'll be done. Well, it's been 5 minutes. Let's see if this is ready. Looks pretty good. The spaghetti is ready. Ams, how's your spaghetti?
It's okay.
It's okay. Dad, what'd you do to your spaghetti?
Let's add a little bit of crushed red peppers. It's good.
Are you ready for the interview?
Yes.
All right, where are we?
We're on Battle Lake.
Okay, and where's Battle Lake?
In the Boundary Waters.
And how many days have you been here?
5.
How many days are you thinking about staying?
No more.
How many days are Mom and Dad thinking about staying?
5 more.
So, what's the best thing you did today?
I took a nap. That was pretty good.
You took a nap?
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Nothing.
You didn't take a bath in the lake?
Yeah, I did that.
Get your clothes washed?
Yeah.
Build a fairy house?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
So what's going on out here right now?
It might rain. There's thunder.
Yep, there's thunder.
It's very scary.
It got dark all of a sudden.
Temperature dropped.
The temperature did drop.
Yeah.
So we've been running around, putting stuff away, getting ready in case it lets loose. What do you got planned for tomorrow?
Gonna go to Crab Lake. Is that what it's called? I don't know.
So, what's the best thing you ate today?
Hash browns. No bacon.
Bacon. That sounds delicious. Yep, we had a good day sitting around camp, eating a lot of stuff out of the food barrel, and
It's really good.
it was super windy, so we didn't paddle anywhere. So if you could get anything from home and have it right here, what would it be?
I don't know.
Would it be some special food or a special friend or something you like to play with or something you like?
Stuffed animal Doodleberry.
Oh, what's Doodleberry?
The fox.
The fox is Doodleberry.
Yeah.
Do you miss your bed?
Yeah.
Do you miss taking hot showers?
No.
No, I like it when you take a shower.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, parents are always bugging kids to do stuff they need to do, I guess. So, if you could get one thing to eat magically teleported here to the Boundary Waters on Battle Lake, what would that be?
Around us.
Around us?
Around us.
What kind of food is around us?
Mexican food.
And what's your favorite thing from around us?
Tacos, rice, and beans. With cheese on the beans.
That sounds delicious. Are you ready to say good night?
Yeah. Good night.
Good night, Ams.